Hi guys, I'm Divanshu from Scrapingdog. In this video, we will build a local lead scraper. We will use make.com Google Sheets and Scrapingdog's Google Maps API. You would be needing a Google Make account, Scrapingdog's account, and access to Google Sheets. Make.com offers you 1000 free operations, and Scrapingdog also offers you 1000 free credits, so we can test this automation for free. To build this automation, we would create scenario in make.com. If you are new to make.com, I would link to a video which you can see before trying this scenario. So we'll be building this scenario in this video. If you don't know what a scenario is, it basically connects multiple apps and services to perform specific tasks automatically, and you can set how the data flows between the apps and what actions are performed under which conditions. I have already built this scenario. So basically, to start every scenario, you need a trigger. In our scenario, it is specifically Google Sheets Watch New module, which is over here. Since you will be building this scenario from the scratch, you will see a plus sign over here. So when you click that plus sign, you will see a Google Sheet. You can click it and can add watch new rows. This is what over here is. So what this does is it watches new rows in our specific sheet. When it finds it, a trigger goes on to run our whole scenario. We have the Google Sheet build already over here, in which we have two tabs. One is user input and the leads. From the user input, our scenario will get the inputs of like where, from which businesses we want lead and for which locations we want lead for. Both our Google Sheet and module is connected. You can see from here over in the settings. So my Google Sheet is connected. I am searching for my particular Google Sheet from this method from my drive, and here is the name of the spreadsheet, which is local leads, as you can see. Table contains header. If I have headers, I have put it marked yes over here. The headers are in A1 and B1, so this setting is specifically for that, and the limit is for how many rows you want to get requests for in one time when the automation runs. Then we would connect this module to our Google Maps API. What we will do is add 9 new module, connect them. This would be HTTP, make a request. So what we are doing is we are taking Google Maps endpoint from Scrapingdog's API. You would get that from the documentation of Google Maps API documentation. I would link that in this description. These are all the parameters that you would get in the documentation of Scrapingdog. Then we will connect the iterator module. What it does, it breaks down one array into individual items. Why we are using this is because for every query and location we get multiple phone numbers. If an iterator won't be after HTTP request, we will get only one phone number for our query and location. Our iterator would run on the search results which you will get from the API. So it will run on this array of search results. Okay, finally we get this data in our Saloon lead tabs in our Google Sheet. You have to add a row module over here. Saloon lead tab is already in there in our sheet. We are extracting business name, address and phone number for each of our targeted leads. Let's run this module and test to see if it is working right or not. We will go back to our make.com and select where to start this module to run from. Let's start from the first query and location. See, we are getting all the phone numbers which are present in the Google Maps. So this way, this is how it works. You can read a detailed blog written on particularly this topic. I would be linking that in my description section.